is SB13. Let's take a look at number 1. Chaz kept a record of how many gallons of gas he purchased each day last week. So here's his gas gallons. These are gallons, and this is the days of the week. Order the days from least amount of gas purchased to greatest amount of gas purchased. So this is the least, this is the greatest, and I have to put the days. All right. So I have to figure out the biggest numbers and the smallest numbers. The best way to do this is to put these numbers into a column. I'm going to make this be my decimal, and I'm going to just go in order. This is 4.5, then we've got 3.9, then we've got 4.258, then I've got 3.75, make this a little bigger, and I've got 4.256. All right, so I'm starting with least. I'm just looking at the ones column. I've got these 2 3s. So I look next, I've got a 7 and a 9. If I'm just looking at the ones, and 7 is smaller, so 3.75, that's the first one. Okay, and I'll go back in and write the days in a second. Next would be this 3.9, that's the second one. All right, now I'm looking with these 3 4s right here. So they're all 4, so I'm going to go to the next number. The next number is 5, and then 2 and 2. So it looks like this 5 is going to be my last number, right? But I've got these 2 2s, so I'm going to move to the next number. Now I've got 2 5s. So there's the same. I'm going to move again to the next number. This one is a 6, and this one is an 8. So this is smaller, this 6, right? So this is a number 3. This would be 4, and this last one would be 5. And now I'm going to put them in order. So 3.175 is Thursday. So I'll write Thursday. Number 1 is done. Number 2, 3.9 is Tuesday. Tuesday. Number 3 is 256 thousandths. So that's Friday. Then I've got number 4 is this one, which is Wednesday. Which leaves number 5 for Monday. Good. Now let's take a look at number 2. The 4 highest scores on the floor exercise at a gymnastics meet were 9 and 675 thousandths, 9 and 25 hundredths, 9 and 325 thousandths, and 9 and 5 tenths. Choose the numbers that make the statement true. The lowest of these 4 scores were, okay, I'm looking at lowest. So again, my strategy is to line up these decimals and these place values. This time I'm not going to draw the lines because I can write neat numbers. If you can't, definitely draw lines. So I look, everyone's a 9 here, so I'm going to go to the next number. I have a 6, a 2, a 3, and a 5. This 2 is the smallest one, right? I'm looking for the lowest score. If this is a 2, that's the lowest score. And then the highest score, so if I'm looking here for this highest score, then I would say the 6 is the highest score. All right, so if you're logging in just to check out the answers, there we are.